Let's look at another demo. This is a check valve that was made. And you'll notice that here's the plug. This is an axial check valve. Within CFD, you can also add motion. So I added some intelligence so that the flow going from left to right will move this check valve when the flow reaches a nominal value. So this can help maybe if I want to determine the spring tension on the right end of the spring. So I already set up this whole thing and I've already run it. So what we're seeing here is this is the velocities that I have out of my results. And maybe this static image, you know, it paints a pretty picture, but sometimes I want to see the whole thing as an animation. So what you can do is after you run a motion simulation is you can export this to either an AVI or an MPEG, and it gives you a much more compelling view of what you're looking at. So let me switch over to the video that I made right out of CFD. So now we're looking at 10 time steps of when that check valve moves. So you'll see as soon as some fluid is introduced at the correct pressure, the valve opened up. Here's the starting point again. Valve moves open, flow goes through. We look at the flow profile within this valve. So if you work for a valve manufacturer, you can see how great this would be for determining exactly the sizing that you'd need, the bore size, the plug materials even, diameter of the plug, you name it. Everything can be designed here, brought into Simulation CFD, run the analysis, check the video, go back, and do this over and over again.